Look, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you here every time we drop a video. And we need you guys here. So share it. If you know somebody else looking for a home or buying a home, selling a home, all those things, share this video. What is going on, YouTube? It's good to be back. I'm glad you're here. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe. If you haven't been around for a little while, because I haven't, I'm back. So today we're just going to jump into some quick things. We're going to talk about finding the right realtor in Virginia. I want you guys to have everything you need to get this done, to navigate through this market. So if you're in the market to buy a home or sell a home in the beautiful state of Virginia, it's very critical you have the right realtor by your side. So today I'm going to be sharing some valuable tips on how to get the perfect realtor for your needs, because you're going to need it. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned seller, you're going to need these tips. Hopefully these tips will help you navigate the real estate market with confidence. So let's get on with it. And tip number 1, research and credentials. Start by researching your realtors online. Look for credentials, experience, and client reviews. A reputable realtor will have a solid track record, and he should be able to have the necessary, he or she should be able to have the necessary licenses. Check for reviews. That way you can make sure that it's information in real time and you get to understand how other people feel about that realtor. So I want to say, look out for reviews, testimonials, a solid track record, and the necessary licenses. Local expertise. You should choose a realtor who knows the local market inside and out. Whatever area you're looking for, your realtor should have worked in that area. They should be familiar with the neighborhoods, school districts, and market trends in that area. Local expertise is invaluable when it comes to finding the right home or pricing your property to sell. It's very important. Expertise and experience. Number 3, communication skills. Very important. Effective communication is key. Your realtor should be an excellent communicator, keeping you informed, addressing and showing you every step of the process. You should not have a question about what is happening. And if you do have a question, they should be able to answer those questions and inform you. Along with that, they should be responsive to your calls, to your emails, and of course, addressing what you need promptly. Communication skills. A personal connection. A good realtor will make a personal connection with you. Building that connection is essential. Your realtor should understand your needs, your preferences, and your goals. A good realtor is going to take the time to listen and tailors their approach to your unique situation. So, as a realtor, I should be listening to what it is you need and create my approach, my tactics to get those things done how you need them. Negotiation skills. That's number 5. Negotiation skills can make or break the deal. Your realtor should be a skilled negotiator. Of course, looking out for your interests and getting you the best possible deal. We are almost done. We're moving on to number 6. Transparency and honesty. Your realtor should be transparent and honest. Trust is a crucial part of the process. And in real estate, in anything, I mean, that's pretty much a given. Your realtor should be transparent and honest about the process, and also managing your expectations, potential challenges, and realistic things that could happen. Trying to think of anything else, but transparency, that's a big deal. Someone who values integrity and puts your interests first. So, in conclusion, Finding the right realtor is a crucial step in your real estate journey. By doing the research and prioritizing local expertise, emphasizing communication and connection, ensuring transparency and negotiation skills, you guys are going to be on your way to a successful experience. Well, if you have any questions or need more advice, leave a comment below. Happy house hunting. Let's go. What do I always say? Get out there, live, love, and enjoy life. All right, y'all. I hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care.